Hey everyone, welcome to my channel once again. So today we're making macaroni and spaghetti. So here you could see me cutting the tomatoes and the onions we'll be using to make the sauce for the macaroni and spaghetti today. So I just finished cutting the onions, frying the onions right now, and the tomatoes. We'll give it a nice fry, and thereafter we'll boil our spaghetti and macaroni. So just watch and see me do that. This tomato is looking nice. We're gonna give it a nice fry together with the pepper and the onions. So I'm adding in salt right now, and here is complete seasoning, and of course our Maggi. So I'm mixing it together to obtain an evenly taste. Oh my god, it's looking beautiful and yummy already. So here the water is boiling. I'm putting in the spaghetti in the water, and I added macaroni already. So checking on the spaghetti and the macaroni, here is boiling. I just want it to boil and soft, and so we could start straining the water. I just added in salt, so I'm mixing it up right now. Yeah, I added in the salt for taste. So checking on our macaroni, you could see it's boiling really fast. So here I'm straining the macaroni and the spaghetti. I try to strain out the water because we'll be using our coconut water and the milk for it. Alright, so here is the coconut water. I'm just pouring in the coconut water right now in the spaghetti, and here I put on the cheese, and I added our eggs. Today I'm using 4 eggs. So I added in the milk, about a cup of milk. So I'm trying to mix it thoroughly. I'm mixing everything together. Yeah, it's looking yummy already. Oh, that is looking beautiful. Oh, then I added in our sauce. This sauce is gonna give it a nice taste. So I'm mixing everything together. Oh my god, it's looking beautiful. It's looking yummy, or yummicious, if you could say that. So here I'm putting in our shredded carrots, our shredded cabbage, our shredded lettuce, and I'm gonna mix it together to obtain an even mix. We're making healthy spaghetti and macaroni. That's why we're putting all the recipe that's needed it to be healthy. So I'm trying to mix it together so it could obtain an evenly mix. So that's what I'm doing exactly. So I added more of those veggies, the carrot, the shredded carrots, and the lettuce and the cucumber. We use red cucumber. So I'm mixing it up again. And look at that look. The look of spaghetti with a little bit touch of the vegetable and some sauce, the tomato sauce. Everything is just, looking so sweet and so yummy. So I'm covering it so it could simmer for some minutes. For like 5 minutes is okay. Then I'm putting in our meat. This is our fried chicken towels. I just put it in. The pot is full already. So I'm mixing everything up. I'm just trying to make sure the chicken, have the flavor of the macaroni and spaghetti taste. Alright, so we're dishing out the food. Oh my god, the food looks so yummy. It looks so sweet already. It looks so appetizing. Alright, so guys, if you watch up until this moment, I would like you to hit the subscription button. I would like you to give this video a thumbs up. I would like you to share this video to as many people as you could. And let me know in the comment section what you want me to cook next, what you want our recipe for the next video to be. From here, I want to say bye and thank you for watching. Alright, so guys, this is looking beautiful. This is looking nice. This is looking yummy. I want you to try this at home and I bet you will enjoy it. Once again, do well to subscribe to my channel. So I'm tasting the food right now. Oh my god, it is delicious. It is yummy. I could tell you that. Yeah, this food tastes real good. Yeah, guys, bye.